What is up, everyone? I hope you're doing great and you are all safe. For this video, I will be talking about PC concept builds, and we will be unboxing this ID Cooling Frostflow X 240. So ano nga ba ibig sabihin ng build concept or concept builds in the computer world? So basically, you are creating or customizing your computer based on your preference or based on a theme. So ibig sabihin ng theme, you have your color, you have your character, you have your modding, customization, everything about customizing based on your theme. So for me, I have chosen the theme of the Stormtrooper. The Stormtrooper concept yung gusto kong build. So, ano yung color scheme ng Stormtrooper? It has white and black. So, basically, I will be building a black and white concept computer. And for our first component, so kakakuha ko lang sa kanya, this is the Frostflow X 240 from ID Cooling. So, this is a radiator, 240 millimeter. So, bale dalawang 120 fans ang ibig sabihin niyan. And it's the snow edition, so it means it's white. So, that complements my white build. So, let's open tong Frostflow X 240 Snow Edition. So, marami nang nag-review nito, marami na ding videos about this. So, I will be just giving you the unboxing experience for this Frostflow. And opening, it has another box inside. Okay, so very fast unboxing lang to. Since marami naman na nag-unbox nito, you can check them out. You can check other vids as well. So opening up the black box na included dito, you can see the fans here. So dalawang 120 millimeter fans. So pag sinabi, usually pag nakita kayo ng mga radiators or yung mga AIO natin, ang usually lumalabas is 120, 240, 360, or 280. So ano ibig sabihin nun? Pag 120 millimeters, ibig sabihin, yung radiator niya, kasya ang isang 120 millimeter fan. Pag sinabing 240, yung radiator niya, kasya ang dalawang 120 millimeter fan. And pag sinabing 360, so tatlong 120mm fan yung kasya doon sa radiator niya. Pag sinabi namang 280, like this Frostflow plus 280 ko dito, it has two 140mm na fan. So, it's up to you kung ano yung gusto mo, pero basically, bahala ka na kung gaano kalaki, pero hindi naman ganun kalaki yung difference in terms of cooling. Depende na lang yun sa case mo or yun sa build mo. Okay? So, for me, I am doing an 80X build. So, ganun yung form factor na gusto ko for my computer. So, kumuha ako nitong 240mm na ID Cooling AIO. So, kita mo white. So, itong version na to is in matte white, and itong ring na nakikita nyo dito, it lights up white. So ito din, pati yung radiator niya is white. So ano pa ba laman nito? So these are your screws, your brackets, yan, nandito lahat yan. Kung AMD or Intel yung gagamitin nyo, nandito lang yan. And your manual. And that's it. Yun lang yung nasa loob ng ating box. Sabi ko nga, this is a very fast unboxing lang. I will just talk about, again, back to our topic of PC building concepts. So, concept build, no, it's up to you talaga kung ano yung gusto mong customization ng computer mo. For me, ang gagawin ko dito, syempre, the whole case is white. And then there's a little accents of black, just like the Stormtrooper. Concept builds kasi reflect, syempre, you as a person or you as a computer builder. So for me, I like this. So it's black and white. So that talks about my personality, and up to you then kung paano may customize yung computer mo. Now, I will be sharing this series of me building my concept computer or the Stormtrooper concept. I will be calling it the road to my white build. So I will be sharing videos and mga progress ko when I'm doing that build. And watch out for my next videos. I will be posting more videos about this build. And that's it for today. Thank you for watching this video. I hope nalinawan kayo on some terms na ginagamit when it comes to coolers. Actually, side topic ko lang yan. And then, yung ating concept builds. Yan. For the people who wants to build a computer, I hope I help you through this journey. I will be sharing all the videos. So, subscribe, like this video, and click that notification bell below so you can be updated or notified when my video uploads or my video goes live. So that's all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.
Why do you wanna end? Was it real or just pretend? Tell me, why do you wanna end? Was it real?